Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Ranger engine misfire and the possible causes that may be associated with this condition across certain Ford Ranger model years. Engine misfire in the Ford Ranger generally refers to uneven engine operation where one or more cylinders do not fire correctly, leading to rough idle, hesitation, reduced power, or engine vibration. Verified technical information confirms that proper combustion depends on balanced fuel delivery, air intake, ignition timing, and engine management control. When one of these elements operates outside expected parameters, a misfire condition can occur. How this issue presents can vary by engine type, model year, mileage, and system design. Documented information shows that possible misfire-related causes may include ignition system irregularities, fuel delivery inconsistencies, air intake imbalance, or engine management control behavior. In some configurations, sensor feedback used by the engine control system may influence how combustion is managed, which can contribute to intermittent or consistent misfire behavior. Older generations may experience different contributing factors compared to newer models that rely more heavily on electronic engine control strategies. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, maintenance history, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions depend on accurate diagnosis and may include inspecting ignition components, verifying fuel and air delivery balance, and reviewing diagnostic data from the engine management system. These steps are general guidance only and are not guaranteed to resolve every situation. Overall, engine misfire in the Ford Ranger is not caused by a single universal issue and can differ across engines and model years. Understanding general combustion system behavior can help guide awareness, but proper diagnosis remains essential. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.